Kolkata rape of Dr. and Amism psychoanalysis regulations theory. Brutal rapes followed by fearful murders, getting common in modern society. Raping natives, raping foreigners, raping uncivilized, raping children and raping corpses are getting common. When this type of acts happen between educated minds, it must be given proper attention. Some say it happens because of unregulated modern food patterns and chemicals in foods, inducing faster reproductive maturity with a mental maturity falling behind. Here testosterone and electrolytes triggers the crimes. Adolescents engage in these sorts of crimes because of their curiosity in experiencing new things, and the resulting guilt makes them doing crimes. When coming to matured individuals, the electrical activity of their brain, fantasies of their inside and outside environment, their unbalanced programmings of brain chemicals are factors. This fantasies is what creating crimes. In a way, the untamed mental and body energies of humans are actually burden to themselves. Rape is a form of torture in any form to other individuals, without permissions and approval. Excessive love, guilt, lust, fear, lack of empathy, excessive affinity, fear of failure, jealousy, lacks creates crimes, uncontrolled emotions. Guilt is in another way, after effect of such actions. Feminism in present world is very much advanced. Now if you try to understand this concept, actually matriarchy and female dominance is in action. Rules favorable for women and respectful background regulatory social setup gives them maximum security. Actually because of this construct, many men are in chastity of female dominance. But why these crimes are happening again? Amism regulations theory states this type of rapes must be ended by regulations on individual development, till the age of 25. Regulations in knowing the right and wrong, positive regulations in brain development and brain chemicals. Individuals are different in their build-ups. Balanced regulations will gradually erase all crimes. Seeing is what believing, and what believing is experiencing. It's in a way, very much related to reality setting theory.